Hello friends, you are welcome once again to our tutorials. In today's tutorial we are going to look at some questions on abstract algebra. So we have the first question, which is here. This one, and they said the group of Z100 have how many subgroups? So Z100 is a group, and they are asking us how many subgroups has this particular group. So you know that Z100 equals to all the elements from 1, 0, 1, 2 up to 99. The value here itself is not part of the elements of the group. So these are the members of Z100. But then we are looking for the number of subgroups of this particular Z100. So how do we find them? Well, it is simple. The subgroups are in fact the factors of 100. So you know that we can take an element from the group and then use that element to form a group. In other words, that will be a subgroup of Z100. And so if we are looking for the factors of 100, they are just equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, and then 100 itself. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in fact there are 9 subgroups of Z100. For instance, if I take maybe the element 50 to form a group, so if I take 50 and if I add 50 by itself modulo 100, that gives me 0. Yes, that gives me 0. So this one has only 2 elements. Let's say if I take 25, this particular subgroup, the first element, if I add 25 again and take modulo 100, that gives me 50. If I add 25 again and take modulo 100, that's 75. If I add 25 again modulo 100, that's 0. And 0 is always the identity element. We know this particular group is a group under addition. When you see that like this, it is a group under addition. And so all these are subgroups of the group Z100. And so it means that every factor of 100 can be used to form a subgroup of the group Z100. And so because you see that we have used 50 and we had 2 elements, we've used 25 and 25, we will have 4 elements of that particular subgroup. Yes, so if you also want, you can use probably 20 or 10. If we use 10 here, so maybe the first element will just be 10 plus 0, that's 10, plus 10 again, you get 20, plus 10, 30, plus 10. All these are modulo 100. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 0. 90, and the last one is 0, because when you add 90 plus, then that is 100 modulo 100, and that's 0. And so these are the elements of this particular subgroup. So that is all for this particular question. We move on to the next question.